Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, we're still in the studio, it's still not finished yet, but we're here with a different mission today, which is we're going to be swapping computer cases. Right now I am rocking the Lee & Lee ATX. I can't remember what it is. Is it the Snow? It's not the Snow Mini. I think it's just the ATX Snow. And basically we've been lucky enough to be partnered with our hardware partner Fractal Designs. We've got a brand new North ATX case that we're going to be building into today. Now the handy thing with this is the fact is it's also going to upgrade my GPU to a PCIe 4 generation because my vertical mount on my Lee & Lee is only PCIe 3, the third generation. So with that happening, we're going to be taking out the GPU away from vertical, putting it back to horizontal again. Very interesting to see how the cooling is going to be working on this. However, if you've not checked out Fractal Design, I highly recommend them. They're a Scandinavian company, and this case is just wonderful. It's white with a wonderful kind of walnut front to it. If you've seen it, you probably have been wanting one. So I highly recommend going and checking them out. So yes, we're still going with the white theme. ATX build, 5800 X3D for the main CPU with a 7900 XTX. Now the thing I'm kind of wondering is, because this is just a gaming rig and I do some video editing on it, I may possibly take out 32 gigs of RAM from that and put that into the streaming PC, because the streaming PC is going to be sitting in a different unit. This is going to be the gaming desk, and in a general sense this means that my streaming PC can be a bit more of a workhouse as well. So it means that we've also got, I know it's DDR4, not DDR5, I'm still in the old generation, but you know what, they do the job and I don't care. So, let's get into it, shall we? So the first thing I'm going to do is going to be taking apart the Lee & Lee case. You have been wonderful to me, you've been great, but I need something with a bit more style. I kind of feel like as if I'm gone past the RGB stage of things, so yeah, let's get into the teardown of this, shall we? My only concern right now, one of my main concerns is the fact that we have got this here, which is the RGB controller for the fans. Whoa! You've been getting dusty, my boy. I've not cleaned out this machine since I moved, since work has been done in different studios and all that. So yeah, we're gonna have to have a nice proper cleanup afterwards. Okay. So we've got the SD there, we've got 2 terabyte NVMe hard drives as well, 850 watt power supply, and yes, and then we've also got the Lee & Lee fans, which I'm only going to probably take a few of them in, but I think that's the general idea and the consensus of that. Right, so first things first, let's get the GPU out, shall we? Look at this dust, it's everywhere, man. Right, so a hard drive here will be nice and easy to take out and disconnect. Yeah, I'll just remove you for the time being. Yep, boom, away we go. Just must remember to take this off afterwards. I was clean at the start of this. I was clean, it was good, it was fine. This power unit, Jesus, man. Please don't forget to write. Please don't forget to call. On to the new, eh? So here we are, the Fractal North case. Very, very nice. ATX case. Power supply down below. Enough room for an AIO on the top. It comes with 2 fans at the front already pre-installed. No exhaust fan, sadly. Some good ventilation on the top and on the back and on the front. I mean, this is just nothing but just clear through mesh. going in there as well, and also with the steel seat and everything, giving you enough lift off the ground in order for that to get enough air intake from the bottom. So yeah, I think in the end we're probably going to see if we can go for 2 big ones at the front, AI on the top, and 1 at the rear, and I reckon that's all I need, which means I've got 3 spare fans in case I ever need them. So yeah, let's get into the build, shall we? See, I would have thought the AIO could easily... Let me just have a look here. Can that fit up into there? It can, but... Okay. We're gonna have to go with the front installation then, because this ain't gonna cut it. But front installation though, always do it from the bottom instead. Tag. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Houston, we may have a problem here, which is the fact that this here is probably not going to fit with these guys on it. So, am I able to do a push-pull then? Or am I actually able to put this on the top now? Houston, that is a big problem. Can we? Oh, we can. We actually can. Yeah, beauty. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. So we have to configure this. No, that's correct. Yeah. That is correct. Yeah. Oh, it does actually fit a top fan. I stand completely corrected upon everything I've said about this case. Oh, this is going to be so nice now. Oh, I'm looking forward to going back to, well, having PCIe 4, Gen 4. I used to have a lot of issues with audio though, but that's when I had the Go XLR. So I'm kind of hoping, now that I've gone to the Rodecaster instead for streaming wise, and the fact that it's plugged mainly into my second PC, and not a single PC setup, we can rejoice in that. Here we go, hefty boy. Come on. Have I got this one wrong? I have got this one wrong. It's very sensitive about its size, you know? There we go. Oofed. Jeez. Oh, hello, Sir Chunkerson. You can find the wee stand for it, I'll be dancing. Okay, yeah, we're gonna have to swap you round the other way. My God, man. Just one thing after the other today. Right. By the way, also, you may have noticed that the colours have currently changed in the room because, yeah, it was too dark to focus on this stuff. The main thing is, these guys here eventually are going to have a, oh goddamn, that does not look good. That does not look good. This is being fried a little bit then. Oh God, dude, that is just nasty. Look at that. This is not the ending I want to this. That is literally frayed. That is literally like heat it up. Yeah, you've actually got bare wires. Guess we're just gonna have to leave it at that there today. I'll order some cables in for tomorrow. We'll get the acoustic panels set up as well. And yeah, hopefully we can get this all up and going for next week. But I'm going to plug in the rest of the cables for the time being. Until then, guys, I guess I'm going to say see you later, because